Now next example, find the ratio in which minus 4, 6 divides the line segment joining the point A minus 6, 10 and B 3, minus 8. Now here what is given? You are given the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. But in what ratio? That is not given. In earlier example, ratio was given to us and we were determining the coordinates of the point. Now coordinates of points are given and we have to determine the ratio. So the formula is same. Now suppose line segment joining A and B. Now suppose if you want, you can draw a figure like this. This is A minus 6, 10. B, it is 3, minus 8 and divided by a point minus 4, 6. I say right here C minus 4, 6. So this point divides this line segment into two parts. But what is that ratio? We don't know. Suppose that is M1 is to M2. And now we have to find here M1 and M2. In earlier example, M1 and M2 were given and we were calculating this value. Now coordinates are given, we have determined M1 and M2. So how to start now? So we want to find the ratio. We don't know the ratio. So we have to assume the ratio and we are assuming what? M1 is to M2. Let C minus 4, 6 divides AB minus 4C divides AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. Now see here, if we want to find the coordinates of this point which divides in a particular ratio, what formula we write? X is equal to M1 into X2 plus M2 into X1 whole upon M1 plus M2. Okay? Now this is our formula to find the X coordinate which divides the given particular line segment in a given ratio. Now we are given this X value. See, this is our here and this is our y. We are given X value now, which is what? Minus 4. That coordinate we know now, it divides the line segment. M1 we don't know. So M1 into X2, that is 3. Plus M2 we have to calculate into X1. M2 into X1 is minus 6 and whole upon what? M1 plus M2. Now, if we want to simplify this upon will be multiplied here. So, what will happen now? Minus 4 into M1 plus M2 should be equal to M1 into 3 means 3M1. M2 into minus 6 means minus 6M2. Now, minus 4 into this bracket, you solve this. Minus 4M1 minus 4M2 should be equal to 3M1 minus 6M2. Now, here M1 and here M1. So, M1 and M1 are like term. But we cannot add them at present because they are to both sides of equality side. So, let us take the like term together now. So, minus 4M1, take this here, minus 3M1 should be equal to now minus 6M2 and this minus 4M2 when you transfer here, it will be plus 4M1. So minus 4 minus 3, I shall write here. So it is minus 7M1 should be equal to what? Minus 6 plus 4 means minus 2M2. Minus sign will get cancelled. So what is remaining now? 7M1 is equal to 2M2. And we want to find a ratio means what? M1 upon M2. That is how much? So this 7M1 means 7 into M1. 2M2 means 2 into M2. So this into M2, let us transfer here. So what will happen now? This will be M1 here upon M2. Now number to right hand side number we write first 2 into 7 will be upon 7. And therefore we can write M1 is to M2 it is equal to 2 is to 7. So that means you should know that if coordinates are given, the coordinates of the point will divide the given line segment. If you know the coordinates of the point, you can determine what? The ratio also. In earlier example, ratio were given, we were determining the coordinate. Now I have taken a X formula. You can write y is equal to and substitute. Y is equal to m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 upon. And y is equal to what you have to substitute here? Here then it will be yes. But if you are going to calculate like this, you will get same ratio. Any one formula for any one coordinate you have to write and substitute. Now same question, same example can be solved in one more different way. What is that? Now see. Here we have assumed this ratio as m1 is to m2. In place of m1 into m2, we can take k is to 1. Let C divide AB in the ratio k is to 1. Means what? This m1 is equal to k we are going to take and m2 is equal to 1. We are going to take values now, k is to 1. And now, here we know the x coordinate. With the x coordinate of the point, we divide the segment, isn't it? Write the formula for x coordinate. X is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 upon m1 plus m2. And what is x now? Minus 4. m1 means k we have taken. Into x2, what is that? 3. Plus m2 means 1 into x1 minus 6 upon k plus 1. So this will multiply here. Minus 4 into k plus 1 should be equal to k into 3 means 3k, 1 into minus 6 minus 6. Now you simplify this bracket. Minus 4 into 3 minus 4k minus 4 into 1 minus 6. Now k will come to one side, isn't it? So minus 4k minus 3k should be equal to minus 4 minus 3k is equal to minus 6 and this minus 4 will be plus 4. So minus 7k is equal to minus 2. So minus minus will cancel. Now you can find k is equal to 2 upon 7. K is equal to 2 by 7 means k by 1 is there. So k upon 1 is equal to 2 is to 2 upon 7. Therefore, k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. We have obtained earlier that by earlier method same answer, isn't it? So you can solve this problem by any method which you want. You can take ratio as m1 m2 or straight way k is to 1. Okay, and then write a formula and substitute. So I shall give you one example now.